Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Shopify navigation tab not showing in online store. This is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. So first thing you need to do, guys, you just need to log in into your Shopify store, and after that, so guys, if you click here on online store, you will only see like three different options here: themes, pages, preferences. Before I was able to see here navigation tab. Okay, here is the thing. Now the Shopify did change the place, okay, so it's still here, but now you will find the navigation tab in their content. Okay, so you just need to click here on content, okay, and here you just need to click on menus. Okay, that's exactly the navigation tab. Now here is the main menu, which is the home, catalog, contact, collection list, the footer, menu, search, your privacy choices, collection, as you can see here. Now here is exactly the navigation tab. Okay, you can just add menu items if you want. You can do whatever you want here. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next tutorial. Hopefully this one helped you. See you.